want to say to everyone, to all of you, I asked Teacher May Tiburcio, I asked the Duterte supporters, all of you must file the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada. If there is a filed complaint affidavit, I hope he will get summons in barangay. Why Teacher May had filed the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada? Just she realized she talks with Ronald Rubena. Ronald Rubena had talked with Teacher May in Messenger, and he told her, what does Ronald Rubena said? Kasuhan nyo na si Paulo Cruzada before it's too late. Because I know Jeric Silva had chatted with with Teacher May. And I know Teacher May has already filed the cases against Paulo Cruzada. She filed the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada. Just to know, it's already filed the complaint. Why there is a complaint affidavit? You realize that the Teacher May already knows. Teacher May already knows what really happens. She is a witness. Oh, she is a witness. David Gill is not also a witness at the time. David Gill, he doesn't know Paulo Cruzada. And I think Teacher May already knows. Because I know Teacher May had already read the message from Paulo Cruzada. What does Paulo Cruzada says? He says about the word bomb joke, what he said about sabugin ko ang Metro Manila, and then another one she saw in the screenshot, what he said before, gasain kita or something. And not even just that, Paulo Cruzada had edited the picture of Teacher Lara while she is sitting on the toilet. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should never grab Teacher Lara's picture without her permission. Do you want to be really like me? Just like what I did to Teacher Vincent, I edited the picture and Photoshop his picture without permission. I edited him as a Russian military. I know this is my fault too, or even Tito Mac also. That's our fault. If I was blame myself, I should never blame anybody. I should never edited the picture of Teacher Vincent. Oh, but I apologize to Teacher Vincent sincerely. It will never be happen again. I empathize with Teacher Vincent, and now I sincerely apologize to him. He mistaken me that I made a fake account of Teacher Vincent Ramos. But he already apologized. I apologized to him already when I made a YouTube video. Teacher Vincent never forget the past. And I said, let's move on the past. It is my fault too. Oh, it will never be happen again because I know I talked with Jeric Silva. I allegedly I'm the one who made the fake account on Facebook. But Jeric is already know. Oh, and here's the question is, Paulo Cruzada, why do you edit a picture of Teacher Lara? What is the purpose of Teacher Lara if she is an anti-Marcos? If she is a pro Duterte, what is the purpose to edit that picture of Teacher Lara? Remember, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Lara is a friend of Sir Paulo Cuva. You should never edit that her picture was. You're editing the picture without her permission. For example, Paulo Cruzada, what does Teacher Lara do to you, ha? Inaano ka ba ni Teacher Lara? Like, what does she do to you? Me, I never chat Teacher Lara. I never chat Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio. I never chat with them. And then you edited the picture for what you did to her. Even you editing your picture yourself, even you editing the picture anybody, you're making a sexual harassment with using the pennies, and then you put Shania Kiana in the naked photo, and together with my arch enemy, Jima Casandil, the relative of Paula Nunez, who was a Marcos loyalist, who were making a naked photos. Is it right to make a sexual and naked photos? Huh? Paulo Cruzada and Jima Casandil. Is that right to edit the picture of Shania Kiana to be a naked? Even edited the picture of Teacher Lara without her permission? Teacher Lara doesn't do anything to both of you. You know, Jima Casandil, you are uncle of Paula Colin Nunez. Why are you editing the picture of Teacher Lara, you and Paulo Cruzada? Remember, Teacher Lara is an anti-Marcos. I say to both of you, Paulo Cruzada and Jim Macasandil, do not insist. If both of you are Marcos loyalists, do not argue. Teacher May is very angry at both of you. Oh, what do both of you did to Teacher May? Oh, you're making a rape. You're making a rape joke. Both of you, Jim Macasandil and Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May doesn't do anything to both of you. Ah, for example, if Teacher May is my enemy, if Teacher May is not my teacher, she is still my former teacher, and I leave her alone. And then both of you, you're attempting to rape Teacher May. What does Teacher May do to both of you? Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, and the other Marcos loyalists. What do all of you want to bully Teacher May? What does Teacher May do to all of you? Ah, what did Teacher May do to all of you? Tell me what is the reason that she is an anti-Marcos if she is a pro Duterte? What is the reason, huh? Teacher May, remember, I say to both of you, Paulo Cruzada and Jim Macasandil, both of you are being sued by Joseph Maspinas. You know, Joseph Maspinas had filed the cases against Jima Casandil, the uncle of Paula Colin Nunez. While Paulo Cruzada, he was being sued by Teacher May. I know Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas had jointly filed the complaint affidavit to the prosecutor. Oh, now you see, Teacher May went to the lawyer to the time. She went there to the Joel Ferrer's office. She asked David Gill, David Gill, you need to file the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada. This Paulo Cruzada, that former student, is attempting to to rape me or harass me, and even he attacks other former teachers of CDIFI that they didn't do anything to him. And now Teacher May had filed the cases against Paulo Cruzada for Anti-Safe Space Act. Remember that. You don't know what is an Anti-Safe Space Act, Paulo Cruzada? Remember, as I was told by David Gill, there is bawal na bastos law. You are harassing Teacher May that she doesn't do anything to you. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is already retired. Joseph Maspinas is in Cagayan de Oro. He doesn't, they both of them, they don't like toxicity. Ah, why both of them they don't like toxicity? Because they don't like toxic. Teacher May is very sick of this toxicity of Paulo Cruzada. Joseph Maspinas was very sick of toxicity of Jima Casandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. Why both of you want a sexual harassment? What is the purpose to harass Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas? Teacher May is already retired. Paulo Cruzada. I've been tell it to Ate Nenet, I've been tell it to Ate Lot. Oh, I have a good news to Ate Lot and even Ate Nenet. The Teacher May Tiburcio had filed the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, and the Marcos loyalists. Oh, because both of them are Marcos loyalists, they want sexual harassment. Now you see that Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas had filed the two BBM supporters. Among them is Paulo Cruzada and Jima Casandil. They already get sued. Oh, as you can see, I was told by Sophia Ahmad Sultan last year, both of them, Paulo Cruzada and Jima Casandil, will attend the hearing. Because I know Jima Casandil was being summoned in barangay. He has attended the hearing with the uncle of Joseph Maspinas. While Teacher May went there in Quezon City, she talks to the barangay captain in Quezon City to file the complaint affidavit against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, she already filed the cases against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, for Jima Casandil and Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to both of you. That's why Paula Colin Nunez doesn't like toxicity. Paula had already blocked Jima Casandil in Facebook. She doesn't like sexual. While that time, Teacher May already knows. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, Jima Casandil, both of you, you need both of you to stop these attacks. I just wanna suggest to both of you, um, deactivate your Facebook account. Do not start cyberbullying. Teacher May is already retired. Look at Teacher May. Oh, when I mentioned by Route Guevara, when I mentioned by the time when she is retired, she is retired. Now you see, Teacher May had already seen that post. Oh, Teacher May had posted a screenshot. Pag nakita mo si Paulo Cruzada, ipabatter ko na yan sa barangay, padala ko yan sa mental hospital. Oh, when Teacher May says, and now Teacher May is very angry at you, Paulo Cruzada, for what you did to what you did to me, what you did to my reputation. That is your fault. Teacher May is very retired. Paulo Cruzada, you do not know what you're talking against her. Teacher May is a pro Duterte. She is an anti-Marcos. She has his writing to respect her opinion. Teacher May is a pro Duterte, just like Ate Nenet. Why did you do that to Teacher May? Oh, do you want to get you a soup, Paulo Cruzada? Huh? Remember, Paulo Cruzada, the one of you made a mistake. Teacher May will go to barangay. She will talk to your parents. Do not excuses with your what you're saying that Paulo Cruzada is a special child. You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to discipline your son. That is his responsibility as you are mother. You know, for what you did to Teacher May, for what you did to her. You are harassing her. You're accusing her with the reputation. And now you see, Paulo Cruzada, among of the CDIFI schoolmate had already blocked you in Facebook. Among them is Jordan Pilapil, Kathleen Canete, Jens Manaid, Lawrence Villawan, who among them? Joan Garcia, oh, even um, Nikki Miranda, oh, even my others, they blocked Paulo Cruzada, even teacher Evelyn, even who else? Who blocked Paulo Cruzada? Vincent Kim Martinez, oh, Sir William Ducot, even others, they blocked Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if among them who blocked Paulo Cruzada, Crystal Dulce Jurado, Yvette, because you have no friends, Paulo Cruzada, Bruce Altabas had unfriended you in Facebook. Because I know you don't have a friends. Even the other teachers had blocked you. Oh, not only Teacher May and Teacher Marisa blocked you in Facebook. Even Teacher Riza, including Teacher Connie, had already blocked you in Facebook. I messaged Teacher Jessa last year. I told to Teacher Jessa, you can block Paulo Cruzada if you want. Just if Paulo Cruzada attack you, do not mind him. Just ignore him. Oh, I chat Teacher Jessa. I told her, wag mo na lang pansinin si Paulo Cruzada. Do not talk about him. I told to the former teachers in CDIFI, among them is Teacher Gio and Teacher Vincent. I told them, just ignore Paulo Cruzada. Both of you don't know who is this guy was, so just ignore him. Oh, I chat Teacher Kel. I told to Teacher Kel Pabelo when she is married to Eskel Penumbra. Just ignore Paulo Cruzada. If Paulo Cruzada attacks you, just ignore him. Do not entertain him. Do not message him. Just ignore when he ever to continue what he's attacking at. This is ridiculous.